I'm telling you something. Some of the time, when you just broke people bad and when people just don't like to hear the truth. The youth is disrespectful. Him disrespectful. I'm not going to be no big woman around nobody and watch nobody disrespect me. He's disrespectful and I don't think I can deal with it. You understand me? I don't like disrespectful people. He's very disrespectful. And you can't get up every day and tell people sorry, 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 sorry. Where sorry I go? You understand? Right? And you're going to say talk to him. I talk to him in the panning phone or text right now. In the panning phone or text panning phone right now. He's disrespectful. And honestly, I don't want to deal with it anymore. I just walk and clear my head. I just clear my head. That's all. Yeah, me see it. No maturity, you know. Disrespectful as hell. You understand? And me not take them a type of disrespect from nobody. I tell you God Almighty truth. So when you're on the media, you can't come and say, no, and I eat that. And I eat that. Yeah, I rate you. I rate you to a level where you see say boom, so I push out. I push out. You understand? Yeah, I need somebody around me to help take care of me and motivate me and but nobody feel like you can come hurt me and come style me and make me feel like say, no, I'm not broke that way. Yeah. That way I'm on my level. I'm on my level, this bro. This is on my level. Argument done. Last night we did it. Boom, something go down. Yeah, me feel that way, me cry and all of that. The only thing you can do is in a bar with your friend, them with your friend. You see me kick up in a bar, you understand me? I say, brother, that's not my level. Never be my level. You understand? I'm not nobody come tell me about sorry. When I know you don't fucking mean it. You understand? So, we're cool. We're cool. Me I'm not a pretending type. I'm not the pretending type. You understand? And that's okay for me. See. Well, I prepare more than what you even think, so no bother with that. Good man. No one request, bro. Yeah, man, I see it, man. You don't have to tell me that, I see it. See it myself. So you really feel like me not see everything myself? You really feel like me not see everything myself? Me just want to look at happiness here a little while, you know? I just want to look at happiness here a little while. My name. Sometimes you want to look at happiness. You have to understand. Happiness. You have to understand that. If happiness, you have to understand that. If it, you have to understand that. Sometimes you just want to look at happiness a couple of minutes. Yeah. Not true. Yeah, man, you have to get that, man. Yeah. Even if it was for a day or if it was for 2, that's okay, right? So ain't no bag of vibe. Understand that. I pray, I love you. My love, I forgot. I'm not lie. I'm not perfect, but the person who I go love, person who me in a life, them for real. I wait for some things. But I want to look at breakfast, my love. But I want to look at breakfast to my love. Nope. Time and God. God and time. Yeah, I get some charge. Hey, puppy. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Them say me I bring down everything people say me bring down people. Me tell you something. You see in a life, everybody come say me wrong for everything. I don't give a fuck no more. On business. Me no business in nobody. You understand? Nobody care about my feelings. People don't watch people walk over me and tap on me and laugh off of me. You say me come and me all open my mouth and me those people. Me I beg you anything you want believe, sister, believe. You want believe, sister, believe. But the weakness, that's it. Right? So anything you want to say, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. You need to focus on yourself. Best love. I don't give a fuck. You need to focus on yourself. Best love. Yeah, that's the best love, mama. I comfort them and started to find here. I'm sorry. I would have, I know, all of them ready. I tell you something. Anything, all of them are me, them a compound. I never see people try to really just decide them always quick for jump on me and them run with anything. You see, people can put up a show for them. They can put up a big show for them and pretend. You understand me? And them run go believe everybody. You understand me? And that's how them see. You see, once people put up a show for them and them jump and want to believe that, right? Them ready for come step on you and believe what them want to believe. That may I tell you. Anyway, the people love you too, baby. No, but it's like, and God know, me I go put me something on sub. I want me something me chat go on sub. Especially when time I go in my bus. I want to go on sub. No, I'm not eat nothing yet. I soon go get something. I just wake up a minute. You get one breakfast on the road. Yeah. Hey girl, me see a angle, you see? You see you know if you use your head, toughy. I say name don't. Me see you, you know. Me I go tell you when me see you. Me I go tell you when me see you. Me see a angle, you see. You're terrible too, you see? You're terrible. Me watch me watch you for one live and me laugh. And when I get the moderator, me laugh. I laugh when I get the moderator. Alright, come guys.
Chat triple. Chat again, double the screen.
Peanut butter, my God. Me not like this. Wow. What you not like? Oh. We have everybody depend me. So what? Well, and if you talk say, I don't know like me. So what? Read that right now. You level with me the heart.